The guy's stretching. He's stretching.
Well, I want to see how big he is.
Oh, he's the big one. Look at this guy. Whoa! Look at this guy. He's like 1 meter long. No? Oh my gosh. This guy is more than 12 inches long. Look at him go! That is cool.
Can I hold him?
You want to hold him? Woohoo! Got one. Alright, we got one, guys. Woohoo! That wasn't very long. Hi, good morning, guys. Another video here. Today we're going to be going fishing, and we're going to need some worms. What do you got there, Sam? These guys just picked up another worm on the road here. He was a little bit wet last night. Why don't you show everybody? So we're actually harvesting these big dew worms for fishing today. But this time we're harvesting them from our worm bin. So me and Sammy, me and my daughter Sam made this worm bin. I believe this is called Vermiculture. So what we do, guys, is we have our own compost bin, and we put our dew worms in there when we go fishing, and they basically compost our stuff, and we collect and harvest the worm tea for our fish, or sorry, for our garden. So I haven't opened this in about a couple months.
Yes.
Let's take a look what we got.
Oh, this is all dirt.
Look at that, all basically decomposed.
Oh, look at that one.
Oh, I told you guys.
Can I put in this worm? Yep.
That's a monster. No, we're gonna use that guy. Hoo-wee.
Daddy, can I put this in?
Look at that big guy.
Daddy, where can I put this? What is that?
I don't know.
Daddy, where can I put this? Is that a worm egg? Daddy, where can I
don't think so.
Where can I put this?
So there's the result.
Where do I put this worm?
We're gonna put it in our. Hold on, give me. Where's my cup? Small little cup. Over there. Yep. So this is basically worm castings, and
put the worms in here.
look at this. We got some stuff growing in here too. What is got a bell sprout?
Oh. Daddy, can I get some?
Okay.
I'm gonna get some glovies.
So.
Where's the gloves?
It's in a black box over there. So let's take some of these. Look at this. This dirt is well composted. You can see there's worms in here.
Yeah.
Tiny little baby worms. So those are the stuff that we want to leave alone.
Daddy,
See, there's a piece of bone here.
Daddy, get the straight one.
Yeah, but I want to put some dirt in the bottom. Look, there's baby worms in here, guys. This is perfect. So this is basically worm castings, guys. So if you guys don't know, worm castings is basically degraded soil and compost that's been digested by worms, and here we are to harvest. So what I've been doing is when I go fishing, guys, I get some dew worms, and whatever I don't use, I just put them in this bin.
We can't find it.
And when we did some gardening, we started collecting and putting some as well in here. So this is a mix of normal earthworms and worm compost.
We can't find it.
Sorry, dew worms from the store.
We can't find it.
So this looks like it's well
We can't find
composted stuff. Looks like I can use this stuff now.
We can't find
What are you looking for, Sam?
My jacket's heavy.
Gloves? It's okay, I'll be the ones. Here.
Oh, Daddy, look.
There's a big one. There's gloves over here. Here.
I'm gonna keep my eye on it.
My daughter does not shy away from worms. Here you go. They're kind of big though.
Okay.
So where's that big one that I saw down here?
Yeah, so there. I heard the schools.
There you go.
Negative? I heard
Yeah.
that too.
Okay, there we got about 3 big worms.
Another book.
Ooh, there's another one. So here you go, guys. So it looks like I can take out some dirt from here because these are kind of moist, which they love, but looks like it's already, there's no more organic matter here.
They ate it all.
Yeah, it looks like they ate it all because I remember I put a bunch of vegetables on top.
Like the
We got some old, was that
eggshell?
chicken bones or something?
What is that?
I don't think you're supposed to be putting chicken bones in here.
What is that?
Eggs?
Eggshell.
These are eggshells.
Yeah. Can I eat that?
Yeah, they use that too.
Dude.
Oh, another big one.
Okay.
Yeah. So we'll just put them back if we don't use them up.
We got a lot of worms.
I think you put the worm that you got back in there.
This looks like actually perfect compost right now.
Yeah.
Oh, there's another big one over there. Do you see that guy? Woo-hoo-hoo. Don't pull him from that end. So if you know when you have good compost, guys, it doesn't stink.
Dig it out. Whoa.
Right now, this feels like good dirt.
Okay, I got it. Let's shove them.
See, this used to be full. Now it's just broken down stuff. Looks like we need to take some of this stuff out and start a new worm bin. And use this stuff on our garden.
Yep.
Yeah, because this looks like
Daddy,
all
Daddy,
decomposed
Daddy,
stuff. Yeah, I saw a big one down there too. Ooh-wee, that's a big one.
Wait, Daddy. See him digging. Oh. Going up.
No, there's down here some.
The sound when you put your hand in with the dirt satisfying.
Is it? Yeah, this is perfect worm casting.
Oh.
Yeah, don't get so close to the camera.
So
So how many big worms you got?
Oh, I don't know. I didn't count it.
It's like 7
I didn't count it.
or 10.
Oh, here's a few more. I saw a few more.
Oh, really?
Yeah, in this corner.
This corner? Whoa. Look.
That one looks like a monster.
Hey, Daddy, there's one right beside it right there.
Right there. Those guys stretch so long. Don't you remember the last one? They can stretch up to a foot.
If they're big
Saw them.
and thick,
Yeah, this looks like the good stuff now.
when you touch them once, they're like the size of a rope. A giant rope.
A giant worm rope.
Well, it looks like this should be good enough. I mean, we're gonna be bringing some krill as well.
Worm.
Tammy, you're getting it on your shirt.
Can I pull out your sleeves?
How about you let me do it now? Why open up that bag of what do you call that?
Worm.
That bag of spinach.
Why?
And why don't you feed him? We're gonna go feed him some spinach.
Oh, I just did a blast.
Yeah, this looks like it's all done. This is like perfect compost now.
Why can you eat them the stink?
Oh, they like greens. I'm gonna give them some eggs and some some coffee grounds.
Yeah, you shouldn't have cut the tree down so because it's getting bright. You can just sit there and really shade.
Yeah, but they're also blocking the sun. Yeah, this looks like we basically got.
Can I feed them now?
Hold on.
Ah.
Okay, so.
Just like get all the worms.
Denzel, can you get me some newspapers? Do we have any newspapers over there? Maybe in the front door?
Get all the worms in a giant pile.
Well, I think we basically got all the big ones. Hold on, Sam. We're gonna put that on the top. Okay.
Where's the worms?
Yeah, this looks like it's all gone. They basically ate all our stuff already.
This is the baby one?
Yep, this is all decomposed stuff already. Okay, ready? Okay, go ahead. So these are old spinach that we grew from the yard.
What? Is it bad?
Go ahead, put them all in there.
Whoa.
I made sure to rinse these guys off too. So when we come back here next time, these guys won't be here. Come on, fill the whole bag.
You got the coupon.
You may want to.
Okay, so can you pass me that Tim Hortons container? Actually, we'll use this one first. So guys, don't throw away your coffee grounds. There is a use for them.
Good.
So what I'm gonna do here is crush all these eggs.
I want to.
Yeah, go ahead and crush those guys. These are all old coffee grounds and
I can smell the
old coffee grounds.
coffee. I can smell the coffee. And I don't like it.
Crush them good.
Ew.
You don't like the smell of coffee?
Yeah.
Hey, I love the smell of coffee.
I don't like it. No bad.
So I'm gonna use probably half. You find some? Well, we need some,
Is that coffee powder?
that's coffee grounds. Okay, we don't want to feed him too much. That's good enough. Yeah, that'll be enough. Okay, so now we're gonna need to get that. Can you pass me that water, Denzel? The hose? Actually, you know what, guys? Let's go take out our worm tea first. So, worm tea. That's what this is. Basically, I have some drain holes at the bottom, and this is basically the juice that comes out of the bottom of our worm bin.
Worm tea?
Yeah, so what I typically do is fill that up, put some of this worm tea in there, and diffuse that with some water. Then that'll be what I use in the garden. So what I find is I put this brick here. It helps with the drainage.
Daddy, is the brick heavy?
Yeah, it is. Okay, give that to me. Alright, here you go. So they like it wet, but not drowning wet.
Yeah.
Okay, that's probably good enough. Now we need some newspapers, guys.
We don't want them.
Newspapers or some cardboard. Did you find some? How about up there, Dan? Did you see anything up there?
Can we just like rip that part? Cardboard?
Look up there, guys.
I'm just gonna look in the front.
Yeah, let's go hunt down. Okay, so no newspapers, but we found some brown paper bags
Yeah, we do that.
from the wine store.
Yeah, but still works.
What we do here is we cover these guys up. Oh, go ahead, make it like that, Sam. So I cover these guys up. I believe Denzel has one more, Sam. Go take a look.
Okay.
So I'm gonna keep that thing moist, guys. Moist and delicious. In the front door. So I haven't opened this up in about a few months, guys. But yeah, they're super low maintenance. Just keep them in the shade. And they basically do themselves. Can you open that up into a flat piece of paper?
To make it flat. Can I do the worm tea?
No, we're gonna leave that alone. We're gonna have to come back for that guy. We'll use that in the garden. Let me see, Sam. Let me soak it down here so those guys don't get too wet. Okay, and that'll be the end of that. So we'll see these guys again in a couple months, maybe a few weeks. So night crawlers, what we're using, the best use would be the red wrigglers. They're a lot smaller, but they do a lot of a better job decomposing stuff.
Why do you tape it closed?
Because you know what? I've seen them come out from the side. That's why. Don't forget to put these preparations, guys, and same preparations in the bottom.
Why don't they come out from the side?
These guys, they wander at night, right? They're more active at night. So they're always wandering.
Oh, they can go through those holes on the top. No, I can't even sneak that small.
So,
That's all fine.
and that's all. That's basically all of it.
Right here, that's just in case the baby worm.
What kind of stuff have we put in there, Sam? We put like banana peels in there, right?
Daddy,
Coffee grounds.
What are you gonna do with the
No, we don't have to put it all.
What are you gonna do with the worm tea?
Well, so yeah, with the worm tea, we add water to it,
Yep.
and then we use it for the garden.
Yes.
So it's kind of like a ultra boost fertilizer. Like, you know, in Space Jam, it's like Mike's special stuff. And when everybody has it, everyone's going crazy. Everyone's like a super player.
Well, if I could just
No, like-
water.
Like
Yeah.
the Pokemon.
Okay, guys. So worms, we got right there about 4 or 5 big worms there. And okay, so tell everybody we're gonna see them next time.
Yep.
Come check out our video.
And subscribe.
Subscribe, like, and share. Don't forget to comment. Okay? Goodbye for now.
Bye bye.
So it turns out the place where we're going, the boat launch was closed, so we went to this small little lake, Como Lake. Oh, I thought I just. Oh, yeah. Oh, I got fish on.
Yeah, Daddy got a fishy. Got it?
Oh yeah. Oh shoot. There you go. Tiny guy. Woohoo! No. Little rainbow. Look at that. As soon as I turn on the camera. Woohoo! Yeah, awesome. Got one. All right, we got one, guys. Woohoo! That wasn't very long.
Dad, it's on my head.